our prominent student Mr. Arijit Roy from Howrah. After his regular education, he joined Webskitters Academy to get trained in machine learning using Python. With his skills and continuous endeavors to grow and achieve something amazing, he bagged 17 job offers from various renowned companies, including the MNCs. He was overwhelmed with his achievement. Currently, he has joined Deltax as an Associate Product Engineer.
I am Arijit from Hooghly Engineering and Technology College. I have done a course on machine learning using Python from Webskitters Academy under the guidance of Mr. Dash. Also, I have done a project during this course. Amazingly, this course and the project helps me a lot during my technical interview sessions. And now, I am placed in Delta X with the CTC of 6 lakhs per annum. I am really thankful to Webskitters Academy and our course mentor Mr. Dash.